How to get unbanned from Discord and get unbanned from Discord. So as you can tell by today's video title, that's what we're going to be talking about. Maybe you got banned, on your Discord server, so you can't actually join the server that you got banned from. Maybe you got IP banned. Whatever the case may be, I'm going to be showing you how you can get unbanned from Discord in today's video. So follow along with me and we'll be doing this together. So the first step is to go ahead and actually log out of your old Discord account, and then you want to go ahead and create a new account. So once you go ahead and create a new account, right after you finish that process, what you want to do is connect to a VPN. And the reason why you want to do this is because we need to actually get a new IP address to avoid getting banned again, and to actually join the server and get unbanned. It's just a necessity for this process. This is what I've done personally, and it works really, really well. And the best VPN I've found that actually does the trick for this is a VPN called NordVPN. So I'll leave a link down below so you can get a NordVPN discount. They are protected with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if this process doesn't work for you and you can't get unbanned, you can always just get a refund. So there's no risk or anything like that. I really want to emphasize that. So you don't have to regret, giving NordVPN a try to get unbanned or anything like that if it doesn't work for you, because you can get your money back with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, with that being said, you can always use NordVPN for other purposes as well. I mean, as you can imagine, there's lots of different ways we can use a VPN to essentially benefit from. Like, a lot of people nowadays also use VPNs to access different content through Netflix and stuff, and through streaming services. So you can actually unblock, Netflix and actually watch, TV shows, the anime using a VPN. So I'll make another video for that as well, so be sure to subscribe. But basically, this is the process right here. Once you go ahead and create a new account, you'll use a VPN, and then you want to join a server you got banned from, and then there shouldn't be any more issues after that. So that's the process I recommend you guys do. NordVPN is also pretty cheap as well, in comparison to a lot of other VPNs that cost $5 a month, $7 a month. Another good VPN as well is ExpressVPN, which I'll also leave a link down below in the video description. ExpressVPN is probably the best VPN in my opinion, but just because they're very, very, very consistent. But with that being said, NordVPN is a lot more cheaper, and they do have more servers than ExpressVPN. So I think NordVPN will be more than sufficient so you can get unbanned from Discord right here. So I'll strongly recommend doing that. Again, I'll leave a link down below for your convenience so you can get NordVPN for the biggest discount. At the time of recording this video, there is a special promo where you can get that 2-year plan right here for $3.56 a month. So you get 1 month free right here, and it's probably one of the best deals available right here. So you can get NordVPN, for the best price possible. And again, you can use a VPN for multiple different purposes. So if we go down below, you can use this VPN for pretty much anything nowadays. Like I said, you can basically use it to make sure that your browsing, is pretty much protected, so no one's spying on you, anything like that. If we go over here, there's over 5,000 NordVPN servers right here. I'm connected to NordVPN as we speak right here. So if we go over here, I don't think I've even showed you guys yet. So this is my NordVPN user interface right here. We can basically connect to various different countries right here. So I'm connected to the United States. And if we go over here, there's obviously plenty of features, like I said before, that we can benefit from. Secure internet, ultra fast, connection, strict no logs policy. So there's obviously a lot of popular features that people like, for example, worldwide access. So enjoy instant secure access to hundreds of streaming websites worldwide. A lot of people get a VPN just for that, so you can benefit from that as well. So yeah, I wanted to go over that in today's video and just go over some of the features as well you can take advantage of, so you can not only get unbanned from Discord, but even just benefit long term by using a VPN service. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found a bunch of value from it. I'll leave links down below to NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and if there are any other better VPNs, by the way, I'll let you know as well by updating the links down below in the video description for you. And yeah, thanks for watching today's how to get unbanned from Discord tutorial video.